1,000 desires, doubled by faithful love, to the most beautiful one, and with more pleasures than I know in the world, I grant myself and give myself, because her beautiful, graceful body pleases me so much, and her rich worth, welcomed by all people. The more I think about the boldness and the pride that I commit by loving her, the more I desire her, like the man who goes knowingly to die, there where he most sees fighting and defending. For so high does her worth rise in great power, that my value is overcome by fear through loving too much. And because I know it's true that the most prized ones make all my sense doubtful, love beats me so hard that I ache from it entirely. So I follow it, but I don't know where to turn. A defeated man who can no longer defend himself, and goes to surrender to the worthiest one for mercy. And her gaze has such sweet flavor that nowhere else is my good hope. And if I'm entirely guilty toward her, it's because I love her forced, and she's so worthy. And as a friend I wanna do her commands, and because it pleases her, and my eyes have chosen her, and because from her are all my good thoughts, and because it pleases her that I without more desire her. For if I were a king, I could hardly reproach myself. And because it's true that I praise the fresh color and the sweetness that her gaze makes, and her beautiful qualities and her pleasing beauties, for more praise would be her graceful body, fat, white, delicate head of all joys. I wish I'd seen her naked as she lives inside her castle, for a man can better praise without lying what he sees than what he does by imagining. And I want to spend noble, true praise on her. For day and night I beg her and bring her honor with great fear, so little is my knowledge, and if within her no honored gift will be found, where discernment is with beautiful words and fulfilled deeds. And if I can have water from her, if I want it, if I can't find it in the sea, I'll go seek it there. So if mercy doesn't make me rejoice from her, nowhere else will ever make me wait for dawn.